Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to redeem a gift card on your Dazn application. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Dazn application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up the application guys, you'll be greeted by the main page where you can go ahead and log into your account. So the first thing you need to do to be able to redeem your gift card is to go ahead and have an account that you're going to redeem it to. So guys, after making your account and selecting a plan, now we can get started with redeeming our card. So what we can do is go ahead and exit out of the application, exit out guys, and now open up your internet browser. You can use Safari or Google Chrome or whatever you want, doesn't matter. All you need to do is open up the browser and you want to search Google for Dazn Redeem. So you want to search for those two words guys, and the first result is going to be right here called enter your gift code. So go ahead guys and click on that, and it's going to open up this new page where you'll be able to enter in your gift code that you are going to be using for your account, and then you'll be able to use it for whatever the code is and watch your favorite sports. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.